How to add Spotify widget on Android. Adding a Spotify widget to your Android home screen is very simple. Just you have to make sure that you are currently logged into your Spotify app right here. And you can see I'm currently logged into the Spotify app. Once I make sure of that, come back to my home page. Make sure to find an empty space where you want to add a widget. Now just long press on an empty space on home screen and just go to the option called widget. Once you've done that, you'll find all the apps that you can add a widget from. In this case, I will just select Spotify because that is what I'm trying to add. Here you can see two different styles of widget. Just depending upon which one is much more comfortable for you, you can simply go ahead and add that, and just like that you can see the widget will be added and you can play the songs directly from here as you would be able to see. And this way you should be able to add widget on Spotify on Android. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.